Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Brainchild. Today I'm gonna teach you how to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. It's easy and for beginners. So I'll just show you how it's played, then I'll teach you step by step. So that's Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, and now let's start with this. So step 1, this is part 1. So C C G G A A G. So that's part 1. Then we have F F E E D D C. So let's combine the two of them. Then we have G G F F E E D. Again. Then C C G G A A G F F E E D D C. So that's the end of the song. Let's play the entire thing again. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe to this video to watch our others too. See you next time. Bye.